Hi, here's another how-to video from the Metro Information Services Help Desk. Today, we'll take a look at the various ways that you can make a phone call with your Cisco Office phone. There are actually 4 techniques to make a phone call, and it depends on your current situation, which is most convenient. You may find that you use any one of all 4, or you settle on one technique. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to do this. Here's our Cisco phone. Here's our user. And what we're going to do is we're going to dial the number and then pick up the handset. How's that going to work? I can just go straight here. So you see the handset's on. I'll dial the number. And if I wait, it's going to start ringing off the speakerphone, or I can pick up the handset and make the call in this fashion. Let's hang up and try again. The next technique is where we pick up the handset and dial. This is our more traditional method. Let's go ahead and pick up the phone. And you can see here that I can type in the number. And actually partway through, if I made a mistake, I can hit the delete key and back up, or I can continue forward. And when I'm done, I can either press send or I can wait, and it will then automatically, after a few moments, start the process of making the call. And then we'll hang up at this point. Another technique is to use one of the mini speed dials that may be pre-programmed in by your phone administrator. You can see here that we have a row of buttons on left and right side. And actually we have more than just what's on this one screen. There's a button here that will toggle us between page 1 and page 2. And once we find the person that we want to call on the speed dial, it's simple, just press the button and it'll either start to ring, in this case here, creating a speakerphone call, or we can pick up the handset and go in that fashion. Lots of different ways while using the handsets. Let's go ahead and see what we're going to do if we actually want to use our PC. In this case here, you can see that we now have the application up and running on our web page. There's a variety of things that can be done on the left side of the screen here, but we're going to focus in on making a phone call. And what we want to do here is click on the phone. It will then bring up a dial, and we could then just basically put the numbers in this way. We can use our keyboard and go through that fashion. Or if we want to, we could pull up a previous number by just clicking on one of the piece here, and it'll bring up our previous pieces here and initiate a phone call by pressing the button here, and off we go. And it rings my phone. I can then go ahead and pick up the phone, start the phone call, and when I'm through, I'll go ahead and hang it up again. So you can see that we can interact with our phones in many different fashions. And that's how we make a phone call. If you need help with other topics, go ahead and visit our webpage at http://address.here. Until then, bye.